Hey guys, so as a notary public, it's very important that we get out there and market our business, market our services, and let the community know that we have arrived. One way to do that is using business cards. So here I'm going to show you how to create a business card through Canva. So you go to canva.com, you can create a free account or get a paid version. I pay $14.99 for my paid version, and this will allow you to use various elements that will be applicable to your brand. So you go to create a design and you can search for business card templates. Now, you can even look for business card templates specific to notary publics. And the cool thing is Canva already has a bunch of templates available that will get that we can use, that'll get our creative juices flowing. And the other cool thing is that each template is editable. So you can add your photos, you can change the card to reflect your name and your information. So here I am. I've already added my photo. I've added my name. And I've changed the font just to make the card look more lively and fun and not so dull and too businessy. I'm adding my name, my title. You can even change the background color of the card to match your brand's color scheme. You can upload your logo as I just did right now. And you can change the font size. And right now I'm just playing with the different types of fonts to see which ones actually pop. And this is not going to be the finalized version of the card, but yeah, right now I just wanted to show you how simple it is to create a business card using Canva. Now you can do create a card from scratch without using one of their templates, but I would just recommend that you use one of their templates and edit it accordingly. The other thing is you can add different text, more text to it. Here I am adding I'm working on the back of the card now, and I'm adding my website, and then I'm adding my services offered. Now on the left-hand column of Canva, there are different elements that you can use to make these changes. So there's an element option where you can add, like here I am trying to add a line under services offered. So I'm just looking through the different line options that they may have. And then you can also add text right there. And here I am adding all of my services. So again, I recommend that you get the paid option, the paid version, because you can use a lot more tools that they have available if you are a paid member. So right now I'm adding my availability. If you haven't noticed already, you can also change the color of the font, which is pretty cool. So if you have a specific color scheme for your brand, you can create a business card to match your brand's color scheme. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and watch with you guys as I'm creating this simple business card. And you can add as much information as you need to. I'm just keeping it simple, just highlighting high level services that I provide and adding my availability with the specific days of the week and time. And then I'm going to also upload my, I'm changing the color of the font. So then I'm also uploading my logo as well. So here's the front. This is not the finalized copy, but I just want to give you guys a general idea of how easy it is to create a business card in Canva. Now, I did want to add a border in between the picture and my information. So I just went to the element function of Canva and I selected shapes. And then I got a square shape, and then I just slimmed it down just so it can be like a line or a border. And then I'm changing the color to match my brand's color scheme. So that's the front, that's the back. Everything looks pretty cool. And so When you are ready or satisfied with the finished product, then you want to go to print with Canva and make sure you're printing the front and the second page of the card. You want to put it on matte finish, premium paper. I've ordered 50 business cards, which is $16. The details there are telling you that how effective business cards are, especially at networking events. So you want to have business cards available to pass out. The cool thing is before they allow you to print, Canva allows you to print, it tells you any errors that are on the card, and it auto corrects the errors as long as you allow it to. So everything looks good, and I'm going to add to cart, and now I'm going to print, and there you go.